Okay, that is my car all drifted in by snow. You can see the drifts just about cover the top of the car. Over here they're even taller. Goes up over the wall and into the neighbor's backyard. I walked through it a little earlier just to clean out my tailpipe. It's probably 2 foot there, which means this drift here probably about 4 feet. And it goes up all the way around the driveway. And of course, in the place where my car doesn't park, instead of being 6 feet tall like this one here, it's only a couple inches maybe. It could be a foot. And then a couple feet over there. There's no way anybody's driving in or out of this driveway till we get a plow service, which of course will come in and then plow my car in so completely. There's no way I'm going to take a shovel to this either though. So this car just may sit here till spring thaw. I don't know how I'm going to do shopping or take the dog to the vet. So at some point I probably will have to get out here with a shovel and just go at it.